a subject-verb agreement. A verb must agree with its subjects in numbers or person. A singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. For example, the tiger runs. The tigers run. Verbs do not form their plural by adding s or es as nouns do. So how would you determine which verb would go with which subject? Pause to think which of the following verb would go with singular subject, he, she, it, and which of the following verb would go with plural subject, we. With singular subjects as he talks, she has, it was, a singular verb would go. And with plural subjects as we talk, we were, we have, a plural verb would go. The verb am is only used with the pronoun I. The verb and its subject in a sentence must agree with persons. We categorized our persons as first, second, and third person. Exceptions of the third person singular, he, she, it, all the remaining persons, first, second, and third person plural would go with plural verbs. The verb is plural if two or more singular subjects are joined by and. For example, John and Jack are playing football. Now look at rules of subject-verb agreement. Rule number 1. When a verb connected by or and nor in a sentence, then in subject-verb agreement we would use a singular verb. For example, Emily or Sarah is coming. We can't say Emily or Sarah are coming. Rule number 2 is about singular pronouns he, she, it. These singular pronouns would take singular verb. For example, he is playing, she is studying. Rule number 3 is about collective nouns. Collective nouns are unite group of thing or peoples or anything, as team, family, and army. With collective nouns in subject-verb agreement, we would use a singular verb. For example, the team is performing bad. My family is coming. Rule number 4 is about indefinite pronouns. Singular indefinite pronouns like someone, anyone, everyone would go with singular verb. And plural indefinite pronouns like many, few, both would go with plural verbs. For example, everyone is invited. No one is perfect. Plural indefinite pronoun examples: many schools are closed today. You both are invited. Rule number 5 is about unspecified quantities. Unspecified quantities not in terms of exact numbers or amount. With unspecified quantities, we would go with singular verb. For example, some coffee is left. A lot of water is required.